my beautiful Ninang Doll. I just want to say happy birthday. I also want to thank you for always loving us and taking care of us. I wish you do have the best birthday today. I can't wait to see you soon. Take care always and please stay healthy. I miss you and I love you.
Happiest birthday to our favorite Ninang Doll, ang Ninang ng Bayan. I miss you so much. Can't wait to see you this October. Cheers to my birthday and I love you so much.
Ninang Doll, I love you. Happy birthday.
Very good, Luna.
Hello, Ninang Doll. Hindi ko napahabain pa yung sasabihin ko. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga ginawa mo at ginagawa mo para sa amin, sa lahat ng iyong pamangkin at sa mga apo. At also sa pagtingin na din kay nanay. So, on behalf of Cherry and myself, we would like to greet you a happiest birthday.
Happy birthday, Ninang Doll. I hope you have a great birthday today. Take care of yourself and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ninang Doll!
Stay healthy and take care always.
We love you, Ninang! Hi, Tita Doll! Happy blessed birthday to you!
We declare Psalm 37 verse 4, delight yourself in the Lord,
and He will give you the desires of your heart.
See you soon!
See you soon!
Happy birthday, Lola Dolly!
Happy birthday, Ninang Dolly.
Happy birthday! Good health to you always!
Good health! Good health!
Antay mo kami dyan.
And we love you!
We love you. I miss you. Miss you all. Love you. Kiss. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Dolly!
Happy birthday, Tidol!
Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo. Sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa iyong buhay. Ingatan ang iyong puso. Huwag magpapagod masyado. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Love you!
Happy birthday!